When studying for an exam, think about the major themes that you've encountered throughout the course of the semester, write out those main themes, and then write down the details that support those themes.
So if you anticipate a problem with a deadline or needing a little extra advice in completing an assignment, it's always good to reach out to us sooner rather than later, and we're more likely to make those accommodations for you.
My advice would be to be confident, to think positively, to take a deep breath.
Eat well, and just make sure that you've been working along all semester, and I really think you will be just fine.
Well, the midterm is a midterm, and it's not final exam.
You don't need to memorize necessarily every little detail you've encountered.
So I would say get enough sleep.
Get enough sleep.
Take it easy and have a good sleep and take a break. Enjoy.
Even if things don't go as well as you were hoping, it's not going to be the end of the world. We'll keep working and we'll set you up for success here at ASU.
Remember the resources that you have available to you. The Writing Center, the librarians, and your professors can all be great helps when you're writing these assignments.